Do you know which are the most dangerous but lesser-known animals in Africa? Africa, a continent teeming with a diverse array of wildlife, is home to some of the most recognized dangerous animals like lions, elephants, and crocodiles. But there are many more lesser-known creatures that can be just as deadly. Our focus today is on these unsung dangers of the African wilderness, ranging from venomous snakes like the African puff adder to aggressive insects such as the Africanized honeybees and bulldog ants. Even the African bullfrog, often overlooked, can pose a threat with its powerful bite. Not to mention the African tigerfish, a predator lurking in the waters known for its sharp teeth. And let's not forget about the terrestrial threats like the Africanized jackal and the baboon spider. Each of these animals, while not as infamous as their larger counterparts, can pose serious risks to unsuspecting humans. Let us dive into the world of these lesser-known yet dangerous creatures of the African wilderness. First, we tackle the small but deadly creatures of Africa. The African puff adder, a highly venomous snake, is often found in grasslands, savannas, and semi-desert regions. This stealthy predator is responsible for a significant number of snakebite fatalities on the continent. Next on our list are the Africanized honeybees, a hybrid of African and European honeybees. Also known as killer bees, they are infamous for their highly defensive behavior and tendency to attack perceived threats in large numbers. The Africanized bulldog ant, native to parts of southern Africa, has a potent sting that can cause severe pain and allergic reactions in humans. Their aggressive behavior and powerful mandibles make them a force to be reckoned with. Similarly, the Africanized velvet ant, a species of wasp, possesses a painful sting and is known for its bright coloration, which serves as a warning. Finally, we have the African driver ants, capable of swarming and overpowering much larger animals. Though small in size, these creatures remind us that danger can come in the smallest packages. Next, we plunge into the waters and marshlands of Africa. Our first stop is the habitat of the African bullfrog, a creature that, while not typically viewed as a threat to humans, has an insatiable appetite. This voracious eater doesn't shy away from consuming small mammals, birds, and even other frogs. Its aggressive nature comes to the fore when threatened, brandishing a powerful bite as its main line of defense. We then swim further to encounter the African tigerfish, an apex predator found in the rivers and lakes across the continent. Known for its aggressive hunting behavior, this fish is armed with sharp teeth, which it doesn't hesitate to use when on the prowl. While its primary diet consists of fellow fish, there have been rare instances of these creatures attacking humans. These aquatic and amphibious creatures prove that danger lurks in the waters and marshlands of Africa. Now, we venture onto the land where danger can be as close as the ground beneath our feet. Lurking within Africa's diverse landscapes, the African assassin bug of the Reduvidae family is a predator to reckon with. They may seem harmless, but they carry Chagas disease, a potentially life-threatening illness. This bug's bite can transmit the disease, reminding us that danger can come in small packages. Turning our attention to larger threats, we find the Africanized jackal. While they are typically scavengers, some have adapted to human presence and urban environments, leading to sporadic aggressive behavior. Encounters with these creatures can be unpredictable, making them a threat to be taken seriously. Finally, we have the Africanized baboon spider, a member of the Ceratogyrus species. Their size and aggressive nature can be intimidating. While their venom isn't typically life-threatening to humans, their bite can cause severe pain and swelling, making them a substantial concern. These land-dwelling creatures remind us to always tread carefully in the African wilderness. Indeed, Africa is home to a vast array of dangerous creatures, some of which are lesser known but equally threatening. From the venomous African puff adder, whose bite has claimed many lives, to the Africanized honeybees, whose aggressive swarms can send shivers down anyone's spine. We've explored the painful sting of the Africanized bulldog ant and the velvet ant, and the voracious appetite of the African bullfrog. We've delved into the ferocious hunting behavior of African driver ants, the disease-spreading African assassin bug, and the occasionally aggressive Africanized jackal. We've also touched upon the rare but real threat of the African tigerfish and the painful bite of the Africanized baboon spider. But remember, these creatures, while dangerous, are a part of Africa's rich biodiversity. They command our respect, not our fear. When we encounter them in their natural habitats, caution and respect for wildlife are paramount. Remember, danger in the wild is not always as obvious as a lion's roar or an elephant's charge. Sometimes it's as subtle as a bee's buzz or a frog's leap.